Hey guys, let's draw a gingerbread house. So to start, we're going to make a curved line for the ground. So don't make it too high, we want plenty of room for our house. Okay, then we're going to make two lines that go up. Okay, in the top middle, we're going to want the roof to meet, but I don't want it to be perfectly straight because I want it to look like it kind of has puffy icing snow. So we're going to make a little dot so we know that where we want the roof to be. So we're going to start down here and make kind of puffy line. And then same thing on the other side. Okay, and then we're going to go around the edge of the roof. And make this puffiness all the way up to the top. Same thing on the other side. Okay, we're going to make a rectangle for the door. Again, since this is a gingerbread house, we're making everything look like it has icing and candy on it. So in the middle here, we're going to put a circle for a window that's made out of a peppermint. And to make it look like a peppermint, we're going to make a little start in the middle and make a curved line to the edge. And we'll do that a few times. Right, and I also want to have kind of a little icing wiggle on each side of the door. And in the middle of the door. Okay, now we're going to make one of these kind of puffy shapes on this side. These are going to be the window sills. But underneath I'm going to put a few little ovals because I want it to look kind of like icicles made out of icing. I'm going to put a rectangle on top for the window. Alright, and then in each rectangle, we're going to put a little square 4 times. And then we're going to make some more wavy lines for decorations of icing. Alright, now on the ground we're going to make a little gingerbread path. So we're going to start at the door and make a straight line that's diagonal. And on the other side. Now on the bottom of the path, we're going to make pretty big upside down U's. We'll make little gumdrops. And then flat on the bottom. And go back a little bit, make a little smaller one. And then make the tiniest one close to the door. And lastly, in the background, we'll put a few candy canes. Start with upside down J. Make a bigger one. Connect them. And put stripes. Okay, and if there's a little more room, you could add more candy, but that's our basic gingerbread house. Okay guys, bye.